This video has earned over $25,000 in the last 7 days by promoting this product on TikTok.
Every journey towards vitality begins with a single step. When I tried the Zoyava Dynamic Vitality Bundle, it was like unlocking a new realm of energy and wellness, packed with nature's most powerful.
It's actually crazy. It seems like everyone these days is making hundreds of thousands of dollars on TikTok, and the video style you saw is going viral, bringing in thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can create videos that produce similar results, even if you have no editing skills. Meet Creatify, an AI-powered app that generates high-quality marketing videos from a simple product link or description. It simplifies the video creation process by using advanced AI algorithms to analyze your input and produce engaging, professional-looking videos. This tool is a game-changer for marketers, e-commerce businesses, and content creators who want to quickly create promotional videos without extensive video editing skills. Let's dive in and see how Creatify can help you achieve TikTok success. First, open Creatify.ai or check the video description for special discount offers. Before creating our first video, you need to check out this AI tool's free trial, where you can generate 2 ad videos for free before moving to a paid plan. This is a huge advantage because you can test it for free and explore its features before making any purchase. Let's generate our first video. Click on the Generate Your First Ad for Free button. On this page, you need to enter your product link. You can copy the URL from Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or even create videos for your own app. You can also manually upload data like product name, logo, images, and video dates. But we will use the auto method for convenience. So, I will use Amazon. Copy your product URL. Paste it and click on Analyze URL. If you are new to this site, create a free account using Gmail. Then paste the URL again and click on the Analyze URL button. This will take a few seconds to extract the product data. Here, you can see the product name and description. Now, click on Upload Logo and select your company brand logo. Next, click on the Edit button. This will open a gallery where you can find extracted images and videos of the product. You can upload your own customized images or videos to create a powerful ad that can drive lots of sales. Finally, click on the Next button. This is the video settings page. First, select the video aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, 16:9 for long videos on YouTube, and 1:1 for Instagram. I want to upload this video on TikTok, so I will use 9:16. Next, choose the video length, which can be between 15 seconds to 60 seconds. When deciding between a 15-second or 60-second ad video, a 15-second ad is ideal for capturing quick attention on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where users scroll rapidly and shorter content is more cost-effective and suitable for mobile viewing. However, it limits the depth of information and emotional connection you can convey. In contrast, a 60-second ad allows for more detailed storytelling and emotional engagement, making it better for platforms like YouTube and television, though it comes with higher production costs and a greater risk of losing viewer attention if not engaging. I am selecting 15 seconds. Next, type the target audience. In my case, my audience is related to the tech field. You can leave this section if it's not applicable. Then, select the language of the video and click on the Next button. Now, Creatify AI will generate powerful scripts for your ad video. It will show you different script formats, so you need to read each script and select the best one. If you want more engaging scripts, click on the Generate More Scripts button. If you don't want to use these AI-based scripts, you can click on Do It Yourself and paste your own written script. For this video guide, I will use an AI-based script. You can edit it according to your needs. Then click on the Next button. On this visual style page, you can optimize your ad video's engagement. First, choose any template that you like. Then, on the right sidebar, click on the Avatar button. Here, you can choose different ultra-realistic avatars for your video. After selecting an AI avatar, click on the Voice button. Now, select a male or female voice according to your avatar selection. Next, choose an ultra-realistic voice.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my unique tone to your audience.
You can compare these AI voices with 11 labs.
The ballot is stronger than the bullet.
We must embrace pain and burn it as fuel for
Trust-only movement. Life happens at the level of events, not of words. Trust me.
Then, choose the voice accent, American, Australian, or any other, according to your needs, and click on the Apply button. The video ratio was already selected in our previous steps. Next, you can enable or disable the video background music. Now, you can render the final video. However, if you want a more powerful video, click on Editor. This will open the advanced Creatify AI video editor. Here, you can modify your script or generate captions. You can also change your ultra-realistic avatar. If you have your own images or video clips, you can replace them in the Assets section. Next, you can upload your own background music or use the online library for background music. The last option is CTA, Call to Action, where you can add your brand logo or use powerful words that encourage users to test your product. Overall, this is a powerful video editing tool for ad videos. Finally, click on the Render button. Each video will charge 5 credits. As I mentioned earlier, you can test this tool for free. If you see good results, then go for a paid plan. Video rendering will take a few seconds. Then click on Your Video, and then on the Download button. And here is the result of our first video.
Ever felt your computer lag just as you're diving into intense gaming or heavy-duty editing? Meet the Samsung 990 Pro SSD. With read speeds up to 7450 MB/s, it's a game changer. Upgrade now, experience the unparalleled speed firsthand. Ever struggled with messy toothpaste tubes? Well, not anymore. The I Have Toothpaste Disp wall mount makes mornings a breeze. Just install with a simple adhesive, stick it on, and voila! Squeeze the perfect amount every time with zero mess. It's sturdy, sleek, and super easy to clean. Perfect for any bathroom. Grab yours today and streamline your routine. Trust me, it's a game changer.
Creatify makes it easy to create high-quality, effective video ads for social media. With AI technology, realistic voices and avatars, and a versatile editor, you can quickly produce engaging content. Revolutionize your social media marketing with Creatify. Try it now and see how simple and powerful video ad production can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.